I got the idea for this story from the guy who runs the IRC. It was springtime and he said they were going to be kidding, that is, having baby goats. So I went to the goat ranch and there were 3 guys there, African refugees, I could have focused on. This guy, and this guy. But this guy, even though he was soft-spoken, he had the most heartfelt things to say, so I focused on him. There were elements that I did not have, like Africa, so I brought pictures of those to the shoot.
The bumpy road.
A gravel road takes him back.
You feel it like, I'm back home. You just take me back home.
And forward.
I see the future here.
Ismail Mohammed sees a future here in goats. Weekends, he and his 6-year-old son, Musa,
You like come here and play with the goats?
tend to the herd.
Sometimes I go on Sunday. Sometimes I go on Saturday.
Hard work,
Special for us now, we're fasting.
especially during Ramadan.
We don't eat, we don't drink, we don't do nothing.
Ismail Mohammed grew up in Somalia and then a refugee camp in Kenya.
And in the camp, we didn't have a school.
He wanted better for his son while dodging the perils of life in the States.
I saw a lot of other communities dropping schools, joining gang stuff, and try to mobilize my community and come together and come with ideas.
Then Utah Refugee Services approached local East African communities with an idea
Back home, we always run with the goats.
from their homelands.
We can do this because we already did it back home.
We love having those animals with us because it's a part of the income.
Right, guys?
To grow a herd to produce meat
Because I believe in education.
and opportunity. A source of income for scholarships.
Then the future generation will be more educated and they will be able to do productive things that will serve our community.
So that's why Ismail Mohammed volunteers a Saturday to feed and water
They came from that gate over there.
What? Okay, how many are they?
2, 3.
and fetch strays.
Come on.
The baby goats are too fast and they're like a rocket, like.
A 6-year-old has dreams. What do you want to be when you grow up?
A doctor and then a truck driver and then a zookeeper.
Funga vizuri, yeah.
Dad hopes only that his son becomes a leader.
In the books, religious book, Bible, Quran,
And the animals, he says,
they talk about people taking care of animals.
can help him learn to be that.
If you cannot take care of animals, you cannot take care of people. Yeah, siya there.
Wherever Musa Mohammed's heading,
Are you going to study hard and become a doctor, zookeeper, truck driver?
he might just get there
You worked hard today.
with the help of goats.
I see the future here. I see we're doing something. Thank you for help, okay? We are progressing now. You're a good son.
Peter Rosen, KSL 5 News.